In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple signatures for different accounts. This is really helpful if you use the same inbox for work, personal emails, or side projects, and you want each message to have the right sign-off automatically. I'll walk you through the process step by step inside Gmail, and by the end you'll have separate signatures ready to go for each account or purpose. First, open Gmail in your browser and make sure you're signed in. At the top right corner of the screen, look for the small gear icon. This is the settings icon. Click on that gear to open the quick settings panel. When the panel opens, you'll see a button that says See All Settings. Go ahead and click on See All Settings to open the full settings page. This is where Gmail keeps all of the more detailed options we need. At the top of the settings page, you'll see several tabs such as General, Labels, Inbox, and so on. Make sure you're on the General tab. If you aren't, click on General to bring up the main configuration options for your account. Now, scroll down the General Settings page until you find the section labeled Signature. This is where you can create and manage multiple signatures. If you've never set one up before, this area may be empty. To create a new signature, click on the button labeled Create New. A small window will pop up asking you to name your signature. It's a good idea to use a clear name here, like Work, Personal, or the specific team or project it's for. Once you've typed the name, confirm it to start editing. You'll now see a text box where you can type in your signature. This is the content that will appear at the bottom of your emails. You can include your name, job title, company, phone number, or website, and use the formatting toolbar to adjust fonts, colors, and add links. Keep each signature professional and consistent with how you want to present yourself for that account. Below the signature editor, look for the section where you can select which email address and which signature to use for new emails and for replies or forwards. From the drop-down, choose the email account you want and then pick the signature you just created so it's applied automatically when you compose from that address. Once you're happy with everything, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes. Gmail will reload and your new signature setup will be active. From now on, when you compose a new email, Gmail will use the correct signature for the selected account, helping you stay organized and look polished across all your communications.